This Becky Jean in Chattanooga, Tennessee, and it is a snowing. It's a bird freezing 31 degrees, and yeah, so I'm all ready. And we're gonna go outside, and we're gonna see just how deep it is. All right, how deep is it? That's how deep it is. Y'all Yankees measure it for ruler, I know, but that's not how we measure it down here. Now, I'm going to go out and build me a 6-inch snowman. Yeah, buddy. This Becky Jean again, and we're out in the snow. This is how we do it. Yeah.
That's Rebecca Jean.
Yeah, that's right. Look at this pretty snow, I'll tell you what. All right, we're gonna go riding. Here we go.
Didn't see him.
And this is how we end the day.
There you go.
Look at that.
Yeah, good old chili.
Yeah. And that's the way you do it.